Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I am going to be showing you all how I tone my blonde hair at home. I did get some questions from some of you guys on how I tone my hair at home, and as you can see by my roots in these clips right here, you can see that I definitely need it, so I thought this was the perfect time to film this video for you guys. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. First, I'm just gonna brush out my hair because obviously I had it in a top bun. All of the supplies that I need when I am toning my hair is a clip, just to clip and section out my hair. And then I'm also going to use one of these like hair dyeing brush things, whatever you want to call them. That's actually what I use to paint on the purple shampoo onto my hair. It just makes it a lot easier than just using your hands. And the purple shampoo that I'm going to be using to tone my hair is this one right here. This is the Shimmer Lights shampoo for blonde and silver hair. I do use this shampoo as just a regular shampoo when I'm in the shower, but I find the method that I'm going to be showing you in this video works a ton better than just washing it like a regular shampoo. And the last thing that I'm going to do before we get started is that I'm just going to drape a towel over my blankets and my pillows because I don't want to get any purple shampoo on those. So now I'm just going to take a plate, or you can take whatever you have, like a flat surface to put the purple shampoo on, and then I'm just going to pick up the shampoo with this brush and just paint it right onto my hair. Now sometimes I will paint it all of my hair, but I just toned my hair not too long ago, I think like a week or two before I filmed this video, so I didn't really need to tone like the middle to ends sections of my hair. I really just needed to focus on my roots because my roots are my problem areas. That is the area that doesn't take up the blonde color as well as the toning color from the purple shampoo. So yeah, for this video I just wanted to focus on my roots, but sometimes I will take the brush and paint all of my hair. So once all of the purple shampoo is painted on, this is kind of what I am left with. And basically the rest of my toning process is just a waiting game. I will leave this purple shampoo on for anywhere from 2 to 4 hours. And then once I'm ready to rinse that purple shampoo out of my hair, I'll just jump in the shower, rinse it out. Sometimes I will take the same purple shampoo and just like run it through my entire head and all my hair. And I'll also go in with a deep conditioning conditioner because any of you blondes out there that use a purple shampoo know that it is very drying, so I definitely like to go in with a deep conditioning conditioner after I get all of the purple shampoo out of my hair so my hair doesn't feel like straw. And then once my hair is completely dried, this is what I am left with. Now, as you can see from these before and afters, there is a slight improvement, but I do have a long way to go still, and that is actually my own fault because the last few times that I've dyed my hair, I haven't been very good about doing this toning process. So that's definitely something I recommend if you are a blonde, whether you dye your hair at home or have it dyed professionally at a salon. Definitely keep up on your toning, whether you just wash your hair with a purple shampoo or you want to try out this method that I showed you in this video. I definitely recommend doing this method at least once a week, and especially right after you dye your hair. That's how I've seen the best results. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video on how I tone my hair at home. I really hope you all enjoyed this video, and if it was helpful in some way, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any comments or questions relating to this video for me, please don't hesitate to leave those down in the comments down below. I would really be happy to answer or reply to your comments. That is all that I have for you guys today. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye, everyone.